Welcome back to Legit Tech Pick. Cutting edge tech affordable for everyone. In this video, we're diving into the top 3 best cheap 3D printers of 2025, proving you don't need to break the bank to start creating. These budget-friendly beasts deliver shockingly good print quality, plug-and-play simplicity, and features like auto-leveling and silent stepper motors, all under $300. Whether you're a student, hobbyist, or just curious about 3D printing, these picks let you turn ideas into reality without the premium price tag. For more information and update pricing, check the links in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates. Let's get started. Number 3. Creality Ender 3S1 Pro. The Creality Ender 3S1 Pro takes everything people loved about the Ender 3 lineup and dials it up to deliver a more refined, user-friendly 3D printing experience. One of its standout upgrades is the inclusion of a direct drive sprite extruder, which handles flexible and standard filaments with ease, a big improvement over older Bowden setups. It comes equipped with a PI-coated spring steel build plate, making print removal hassle-free while providing excellent adhesion during prints. Assembly is refreshingly simple, with most components pre-installed, letting you go from unboxing to printing in under an hour. With a 300 degrees Celsius all-metal hot end, the S1 Pro can handle a wider range of filament types, from PLA and PETG to ABS and TPU. Performance-wise, the Ender 3S1 Pro delivers impressive print quality right out of the box. Layer lines are clean and consistent, and the machine's auto bed leveling system, CR Touch, ensures a smooth first layer every time, a must-have for reliable results. It also features a 4.3-inch touchscreen interface with a simple, responsive menu system that makes navigating settings and starting prints a breeze. While it's still a budget-friendly printer, the build quality and feature set feel premium for the price. Whether you're a hobbyist stepping up from a basic model or a beginner looking for a reliable, high-performance 3D printer, the Ender 3S1 Pro offers outstanding value and versatility for the money. Number 2. AnchorMake M5C 3D Printer. The AnchorMake M5C is a modern, beginner-friendly 3D printer that brings Anchor's signature polish to the world of desktop printing. Known for its sleek, minimalist design and smart connectivity features, the M5C is engineered for hassle-free printing with a focus on speed and reliability. It comes pre-assembled, so you can get started in minutes, and features an auto bed leveling system that takes the guesswork out of first-layer calibration. The PEI flexible magnetic build plate makes removing finished prints effortless, while the metal frame construction adds stability for high-speed printing. With a 250mm x 250mm x 250mm build volume, it offers a generous workspace for everything from figurines to functional parts. Where the AnchorMake M5C really sets itself apart is with its Wi-Fi connectivity and app control. Through the AnchorMake app, you can start, pause, and monitor prints directly from your phone, making remote operation incredibly convenient. The M5C is also built for speed, capable of printing up to 500 mm per second, though it shines best around the 250-300 mm/s mark for maintaining consistent quality. The print results are clean, with crisp details and minimal stringing when properly tuned. While it lacks a built-in camera like its bigger sibling, the AnchorMake M5, it still delivers excellent performance for its price point. If you're after a sleek, fast, and beginner-friendly 3D printer with smart features, the AnchorMake M5C is a strong contender worth considering. Number 1. Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro is a serious step forward for hobbyists and makers looking for speed, reliability, and advanced features without breaking the bank. One of its headline upgrades is the Clipper firmware running right out of the box, a rarity at this price point, allowing for high-speed printing up to 500 mm per second with smooth, precise results. Paired with its direct drive extruder and 300 degrees Celsius capable nozzle, it handles a wide range of filaments with ease, including PLA, TPU, PETG, ABS, and even carbon fiber blends. The PEI-coated flexible magnetic bed ensures excellent adhesion and easy print removal, while its dual Z-axis lead screws improve overall stability and print accuracy. What makes the Neptune 4 Pro even more appealing is the user experience. The 4.3-inch touchscreen interface is clean, intuitive, and makes navigating settings or starting a print incredibly easy. The printer also features auto bed leveling with a 121-point mesh, so you'll spend less time adjusting and more time printing. Plus, with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control and monitor your prints through the Elegoo Neptune app, a welcome touch for remote management. Build quality is solid, and the machine arrives semi-assembled, getting you up and running quickly. Whether you're upgrading from an entry-level printer or starting fresh with serious capabilities, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro offers pro-level features and performance at a very competitive price point. The most recent and biggest tech. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and advice. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions for products you'd like us to review, please leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to remain updated and see you in the next video. Foreign.